Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM 2020 Mathematical Statistics paper. Basically, this is the question from section A, question number 5. Let E and F be two events, okay? Then which one of the following statements is not always true? We are given four options, and as it is a section A question, therefore it is a MCQ type question. Hence, only one answer is true among these given four options. So let's start with the solution. So first of all, check the first option, that is probability of E intersection F is less than equals to a max of 1 minus probability of E complement minus probability of F complement, comma 0. Now we can write 1 minus probability of E complement minus probability of F complement in this way, that is 1 minus probability of E minus 1 minus probability of F. Okay, therefore this reduces to probability of E plus probability of F minus 1. Now probability of E union F is equals to probability of E plus probability of F minus probability of E intersection F. If we take E intersection F, probability of E intersection F, and take it to the left hand side, and we take E union F and place it to the right hand side, then we get this, that is probability of E intersection F is equals to probability of E plus probability of F minus probability of E union F. Okay, now we know that probability of E union F is less than equals to 1. Therefore minus probability of E union F is greater than equals to minus 1. Therefore probability of E plus probability of F minus probability of E union F is greater than equals to probability of E plus probability of F minus 1. Okay, now probability of E plus probability of F minus probability of E union F is nothing but probability of E intersection F. Therefore probability E intersection F is greater than equals to probability of E plus probability of F minus 1. Okay, so let's mark it with star. Now as E intersection F, probability of E intersection F is a probability measure, therefore it must be greater than equals to 0. Now mark it with double star. Now combining star and double star, we can say that probability of E intersection F is greater than equals to maximum of probability of E plus probability of F minus 1 comma 0, or we can write maximum of 1 minus probability of E complement minus probability of F complement comma 0. Okay, therefore probability of E intersection F is greater than equals to 1 minus probability of E complement minus probability of F complement comma 0. Therefore the first option is wrong. Hence this is the correct answer for our question, as we are asked to find the option which is not always true. and we find that the first option is not always true, therefore this is the correct answer. And as it is a MCQ type question, therefore we only have one correct answer, hence there is no need to check other options. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.